Alright, creating a quick video on just my main layout again, just to help people out. So, as you can see, let's kind of just go down the line here. We have the GANN lines with volume analysis, and really, as people know, what I love to do with this mainly is treat it as an indicator. So, without filters, like the main first idea, and of course you're going to filter out bad signals as you get better at it. But if price goes below the daily GAN, you short, so that'd be a loss. When it goes above, you long it, and then you scalp away. When it comes down below, there's no candle close, so there's no valid trigger. When it goes, that's again, we're not filtering just yet, but just to give you a rough idea, when it breaks, you enter short, and you scalp away. When it wicks near it and the wicks stay below it, you scalp away. No man's land. When it double tops near, that's valid enough for me. The first one could be valid, but if it double tops, definitely a good opportunity in this region here. So that's the rough, step A, just using the dailies. So like again, you wouldn't be trading here until it broke out. Now, yes, would you miss all this? That's why you can add a 4-hour, but even the 4-hour didn't help you too much there. So that's just the way I trade. Everyone's different. You can see how it came up and then it came down. So if you were trading earlier, you could have caught this in my system. I don't have, unless you change this to 1 hour, but I'm not a 1 hour trader. I'm a daily GAN trader. So anyway, that's kind of step A. Then step B, layering it on to help us. We do have the signals, the elite GAN AI. And again, if you wait for the signal, you're gonna be long here. Be tough. This one was decent, but then he bounced again. Finally, this one was decent. So really, I don't really use these a whole lot, but they're there to if you want to customize them to your strategy. And as you change the different weights, you can get the signals in different locations. What I really like is the GAN AI Delta. So as this price comes down, yeah, you could enter short and scalp there, but again, you get bounced there. You'll see that the deltas are printing a buy here. Then this would be a reason to get out. So as you're scalping up, if you see this, by then it might be too late though. But either case, it does help you. It does help you in general. In this case, you probably, if you didn't scalp this, you probably just would have a break even trade. And again, scalping down using the delta, so you would not worry about these deltas. I guess you could scalp down and take some profit, but the signals are there to kind of help you navigate. There is no delta here, so again, that's where you're under the daily with a double top, valid enough for me. And again, you can add the 4-hour with the daily, and sometimes the price action doesn't give you a good 4-hour trade, so you can switch it over to the 1 hour if you want to, and then you can see how you're going to get a triple top at the hourly. But again, price, as it does respect the hourly, daily is the kingpin. So as price comes down, breaks near the daily, this is your main setup. As it does this kind of like a 1, 2, 3, it's almost like a 4 complex trade or retracement. In either case, I like to trade near dailies, and hourlies just give you a lot going on. So that's why I like to do what the pros do. We trade at the 4-hour and the daily, so you can see how nice this is. It's stacked. So this comes back, you're stacked here, and you already know this is a stacked level. So this whole zone is a great level to trade, to use it to trade. And then we have the compass to give us further validation. So when it comes down below the VWAP, it does go above the VWAP a little bit, but you can see how you can take a VWAP break trade down to the bottom of the orb. These two represent the first 30 minutes of action, not the highs and lows. So I wouldn't use it like that, but it is a good gauge of where the market likes to range or likes to bounce. So as you can see, the VWAP is really the best. A nice VWAP break trade, and then again it double tops near the daily, but the VWAP gives you some confirmation to be short. Otherwise, the price action for long on would be reversed. If the price bounces way above the VWAP and retraces, then you're looking for a long. Well, the price dips down, dips up, dips down, you're looking to short the VWAP. So that's kind of like, and then we have the dots for the real price open and close of the HA, and then of course we have the volume down here. Yellow is institutional activity mainly, and then you can see the red volume bars helping you out. So obviously the best trade again comes down, presses against the daily. A lot of confirmation considering there's a lot of selling right here, and even here if you waited for the volume, you got in this candle here for a nice short down here. So I hope that helps you, and I'll be on next week. Take care.